Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the top 5 best blog websites to use. 1. WordPress.org. WordPress.org is one of the most popular blogging platforms available with a great range of features and customization options. It also has a wide range of plugins to choose from and a strong community of users who offer support and advice. 2. Blogger. Blogger is a free blogging platform owned by Google and is one of the most popular blogging sites on the web. It is easy to use and has a wide range of features and customization options. 3. Tumblr. Tumblr is a microblogging platform that allows users to quickly post multimedia content. It is easy to use and has a range of themes and customization options. 4. Medium. Medium is a free blogging platform that allows users to quickly post multimedia content. It has a range of features, including a clean and modern design, and it has a strong community of users who offer support and advice. 5. Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one blogging platform that allows users to easily create beautiful websites. It has a range of features, including a drag-and-drop website builder, and it also has an easy-to-use e-commerce system. So these are my top 5 best blogs to use. I hope this was helpful and gave you some ideas for your own blog. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.